Eurotubi Europa was founded in 1968, specializing in tube bending for third parties. Over the years we have had constant growth, and the real turning point came in 2000, with the introduction of a new commercial line, stainless steel and carbon steel press fittings. Eurotubi press fitting system quickly became the company's core business, and it is currently exported in over 50 countries around the world. This has made us a company of international standing with 4 production sites, 250 employees, and with over 50 million in turnover. The decision to undertake a new digitalization project arose from the need to optimize production processes. For this purpose we have acquired tools and procedures aimed at organizing and collecting data. In addition, these new technologies allowed us to fall back within the paradigms of Industry 4.0. Thanks to the collaboration with Var Group, we have undertaken a review of production models, a management of planning and production, and the introduction of a finite capacity scheduler. Var Group's MESI off-monitor solution has allowed total integration between the ERP system and work centers and production departments. The introduction of an advanced interface on the machine has made it easier for the operator to manage 2 orders at the same time, within the same production island. We started with a first batch of 15 machines. As of today we are implementing the remaining 90 machines. An added value within the project in collaboration with Var Group was the 360-degree interconnection of machinery, also ensuring connection with non-Industry 4.0 machinery. Therefore we have global visibility in the collection and processing of data from production. The data solidity has been the common thread of the whole project, and the collection of numbers, relating to quantitative and qualitative analyses, allows us to make both operational and strategic decisions every day. This technological investment has created the basis for further innovation paths in the field of artificial intelligence and predictive analytics. These innovations will be used especially in the new product line, currently in the engineering phase.
For 50 years, innovation has been the key to our success. Investing in machinery and qualified personnel, collaborating with specialized companies such as Var Group, is the winning strategy to address the challenges of a constantly changing market.